Hey guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In this video I will show you how to edit wedding filter on your image using Lightroom Mobile. There are some example photos before and after using this filter. So guys, without wasting your time, let's jump to the tutorial. First go to Light. Bring the contrast plus 19. Highlights minus 40. Shadows plus 42. Whites minus 100. Blacks plus 35. Go to Curve. Follow these settings. And go to Color. Bring the saturation minus 25. Go to Color Mix. First go to Red color. And bring the hue plus 20. Saturation minus 16. Luminance plus 55. Next go to Orange. Bring the hue plus 5. Saturation minus 10. Luminance plus 58. Go to Yellow. Bring the hue minus 16. Saturation minus 54. Luminance minus 28. Next go to Green. Bring the hue minus 10. Saturation minus 30. Luminance plus 40. Go to Sky Blue. Bring the hue plus 20. Saturation minus 70. Luminance plus 50. Next go to Blue. Bring the hue plus 20. Saturation minus 70. Luminance plus 40. Go to Purple. Bring the hue plus 15. Saturation minus 25. Next go to Pink. Bring the hue plus 25. Saturation minus 30. And done. Now go to Details. Color Noise Reduction 25. And done. Now your pic is ready to upload. Now let's try to copy this preset and pass to another picture. Copy settings and paste it. If you like this preset, you can also download this preset from the description. And thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe. I Snap for more photography tutorial. See you next time. Have a great day.